Thank you. Well, first, I appreciate the opportunity to be here today. I appreciate your presentation, President Barron. I first heard about the LaunchBox several years ago, actually, when Vern hosted the Chamber of Commerce annual convention here. I was a previous Chamber of Commerce president. My question, though, I'm happy to see that this has grown to 21 campus-based, I guess, launch boxes. But my question, I'm from Indiana County. I have Indiana University of Pennsylvania in my district, and the state system, everyone knows, is struggling right now. And we're not here to talk about that, but I'm talking about possibly sharing sort of the launch box model with the state system. If
Absolutely.
That's something.
Happy to do so.
Yeah, our incubator on the IUP campus is closed right now. They're looking at some restructuring with the SBDC. And I love this model, and I think it's something that, for the future of Pennsylvania is essential, especially trying to keep our workforce growing, trying to keep our intellectual properties here, our young people here. And that's, I think, is maybe it's not a question, more of a suggestion, but I'd love to see this modeled in those communities that have a state system school, because Penn State can only put these, I assume, where you have a campus, yet in communities like Indiana and other communities that have a state system school, we don't have that opportunity. So if there's a way to sort of share this model or to encourage the state system to sort of partner on this, I would like to see that.
So I have met with the chancellor of the system, talked to him about how we function, how our campuses are maintaining a robust enrollment, and what we do to save money, and I have pledged to help in any way I can with conversations about things we do. I've actually contemplated whether our LaunchBox could go somewhere else. And the thing about it is that connectivity with faculty and students is really very important, because it's part of the idea generation, but it's also part of the assistance. I mean, the fact that we have legal assistance here, because individuals with startups said, look, I spent the whole summer trying to work on incorporating my company, and you spent the whole summer doing that? No, that's not what you should be spending your summer on. And so I went to the law school, and the law school said, well, no, we'd love to do that. Okay, so that connectivity becomes very important in terms of providing services, but I have no hesitation about sharing the model whatsoever. And we're constantly, I don't know if Lee's still in the room, she probably might say how many times I brought people through the LaunchBox myself, and there are many other kinds of visits, so we're very happy to share.